Doctor proved that humanity still exists. Dr. Sainath Bairagi proved that humanity still exists in the real world. On 1st April 2015, Dr. Bairagi got a case of pregnant woman named Ankita who was 7 months pregnant and was having tumor in her womb. That tumor had grown to such extent that it created danger to life of Ankita as well as the child in her womb. When Ankita was taken to other hospitals in Kalyan, they refused to take such risk. When she was brought to Dr. Bairagi, her condition became more critical. But Dr. Bairagi took this responsibility and by his experience and skills did a successful surgery on patient, saving both child as well as Ankita. Dr. Bairagi has also accepted the responsibility of Ankita's delivery. By such a successful surgery, Dr. Bairagi proved that humanity still exists in the real world. Our reporter Pranav Naik spoke to Dr. Bairagi as well as Ankita's family members. Let's
Welcome to PM9 News. Today we are here in Medinova Multi-Speciality Hospital where a doctor saved a woman's life who was pregnant and whose condition both the child as well as woman. Come and let us know about that operation from the patient's parents as well as doctor. कब से हो रही है?
तब फिर तो हमको तो मालूम नहीं। वो गांव गई थी, गांव गया थी, हाँ बोला उसको 2 महीना में गांठ था। गांठ बोले, मैं बोली काट दे, हमको ये नहीं गांठ काट दे बोली। उसलिए बोला दवा खाना से ठीक हो जाएगा, बोला डॉक्टर के साथ वो गई थी। बोली क्या बोला हाँ ठीक हो जाएगा, अभी थोड़ा ही है बोला। उसलिए
इससे पहले कौन सा हॉस्पिटल में गए थे?
गांधी।
तो उन्होंने क्या बोला?
बोले बोला थोड़ा गांठ है 2 महीना का, उसके बाद में नहीं बताया।
तो इसके बाद अभी मतलब किसने रेफरेंस दिया यहाँ का?
फर्दर
और सर अभी कैसी है? ठीक है। तो यहाँ डिलीवरी होगी
इधर है
इधर
तकलीफ तो अभी थोड़ा थोड़ा तो ऐसा दर्द होता है करके उनको बताया था, लेकिन अभी के फिलहाल की कंडीशन में ऐसा हो गया कि हमारे मिसेस ने सब पता लगा कि कहाँ पे क्या है कहाँ पे क्या है करके हमने कल वाले किया, वहाँ से भी ठीक नहीं हुआ। कुछ तो मालूम ही नहीं पड़ा कि क्या हुआ करके, किसने बताया ही नहीं कि ऐसा चीज़ हुआ करके। फिर उसके बाद यहाँ का डॉक्टर का एड्रेस मिला अपने को, फिर यहाँ पे आने के बाद उनका ऑपरेशन हुआ। बहुत अच्छा हुआ कि जो कि 2 जान को बचाया उन्होंने।
ये डॉक्टर ने एग्जैक्टली अभी क्या कहा?
मालूम ही नहीं कि उसके अंदर क्या था, कैसा है, कुछ भी अंदाजा नहीं हो रहा था। उन्होंने अपने सर के ऊपर रिस्क लिया कि मैं इसको ओपन करूँगा, क्या होगा फिर बाद में बताऊँगा कि बोला था। लेकिन उन्होंने जो कुछ किया अपना जवाबदारी के ऊपर करने के बाद ऑपरेशन सक्सेस हुआ। दोनों का जान को अलग अलग करके बहुत अच्छा।
आगे का क्या करोगे आप?
अभी तो दवा तो इलाज चालू है, आगे देखेंगे। और इसमें जो भी हमारे मालिक ने जो भी साथ दिए, जैसा एक तो हमारे भगवान डॉक्टर हो गए, दूसरे मालिक हमारे जो हमको सपोर्ट करने वाले साहब है हमारे निर्मल इंडस्ट्रीज, विकास देसाई और प्रकाश देसाई, उनका हाथ भी है कि जो कि हमको आज तक सपोर्ट किया और ये हॉस्पिटल में खड़े हैं उनकी वजह से।
Sir, can you tell us more details about this operation that you did yesterday?
Myself, I am Dr. Sainath Bairagi. I am working as a gynecologist. I am a director of this hospital, Umar Multi-Speciality, and I am a director of the Umar Fertility Hospital. I am working since 8 years in this era, but I have seen, and why it is rather than risky, it is very much complicated due to all of these misdiagnosed conditions. Basically, in such cases, she is a pregnant of 7 months pregnancy with having a 40 centimeter of the tumor. Is that we don't know the origin of this tumor and the nature of this tumor. That's why it's very difficult. The patient came to us in a very serious condition and emergency basis. Patient came with a fall in BP, is hypotensive, respiratory embarrassment, and maybe the cardiac failure occurs due to that. A lot of abdominal pressure, and due to that she can't eat, she can't drink water too, and the stomach has been displaced very much. But in this patient, what exactly happens? She has done a regular ANC checkup in multiple peripheral hospitals and where, but they didn't got it that what exactly happens wrong with her. While they did an ultrasound, but they didn't show the exact size of tumor. Sometimes when the organs are small, means when uterus is low gestation, small gestational age, that time the cyst is also small. That time it is very easy to find out by ultrasound. But in that condition, they are misguided by some of the centers has suggested is some misdiagnosis is there. So they could not find out ki there is tumor, there is growing. So we can't find out the origin that time. But at when we did an ultrasound at the last stage, that time the baby has been over distended the origin of the tumor. Either it is from retroperitoneum, either it is from ovary, either it is displacing the kidney. In which area we can't find out. So in this era, in 21st century also this kind of things happens. I guided MRI to be done for this for diagnosis. But due to PCP Act in Kalyan, most of the centers is not registered for MRI machine for under PCP. So pregnant lady they are not accepting. But in such a difficult, in such a serious condition, emergency, I can't refer the patient directly to Mumbai. He could have lost her life also.
That machinery was also not available with you.
So see, what is in this case, the machinery is not required in such cases. So very good machinery is not required. The required is only courage and to take a risk. I have a risk appetite and I have taken to save the life of this patient because of in this now era of maternal mortality. I operate that patient. I removed the tumor. I taken the actual laparotomy, and luckily we should not find out that is a vascular tumor. It is a tumor from ovarian and it's a huge ovarian tumor, but it's twisted mass. Not only twisted, it is a hemorrhagic cyst, and it's lost around 1.5 to 2 liters of blood in that tumor. Because of that, patient is severely anemic. We give her 4 to 5 pints of blood. We give all products and save the patients and give the pregnancy till today.
And what is the condition of that patient at present?
At present, patient is present patient is good, well. She is not fine, but she is well right now, and hope so she will recover very well and she will come out of the.
After such an operation, do you think the delivery will be safe and normal?
Yeah, definitely. There is no issue about the delivery. Patient will deliver vaginally, normal, and normally also. There is no issue.
What about the future treatment?
The only risk is that if patient doesn't develop any DIC or any other complication to fetus within these 7 to 8 days.
So as we heard, a doctor by saving a patient's life in such a critical condition, the doctors showed that humanity is the biggest religion in the world. With cameraman Pratibha Jaiswal, myself Pranav Naik, PM9 News.